So we are going to Forum today in Bhawanipur, and we will share with all of you all the updates of what all we do. I and mom, we're gonna enjoy today so much. So we both are very excited. Just reached Forum. Now let's see which shop to go first.
So at first, I decided to go to this store named Ratan Jaipur to check their bedsheet and Doha collection. After checking all the bedsheets and the Dohas, I decided to take Doha, and because they have got loveliest collection of Dohas and also of all sizes, so and beautiful prints. So I've decided to pick up. And though the clothes collection is also too good in the store.
Whenever I come to Forum in Kolkata, I always come to this Go Colors. They've got loveliest of collections. Let's check what they have.
This Go Colors in Forum Mall has got a very good collection. I wanted to pick up few shorts and palazzos from here. I simply love when mom chooses what I should take and not because I hardly get a chance to shop with her these days. Now let's check what's there in Shoppers Stop.
This is the first shopper stop opened in Kolkata in Forum, and they've got the loveliest of collections here. So I'll show you all what is here.
They have got so lovely collection of t-shirts and shorts for housewear, so I just grabbed few of them. Even the kurtis were also very colorful and beautiful designs. But I didn't want to pick up because I had got lot in my stock for now.
We are done with our shopping now. It's going for dinner. Let's see where we go for dinner.
Nowadays, mom hardly wears saris because it's very difficult for her to manage. So whenever she wears it, she looks very beautiful and I love to capture that moment. After a long time, today we decided to sit somewhere with lots of music.
Getting Fridays now. Very, very hungry. Because we have quickly given our order.
Couldn't talk much and I had to add the voiceover because of the loud music. And finally, my mojito is here. So instead of our, regular lunch and dinner menus, we wanted to have something hearty. Hence, I had fish and chips and mom had this prawn spaghetti. Lovely food we had and now it's time to go home. So reached home just now and now is the time for me to show you all what all I got today. From Go Colors, I've got these two palazzos. And this is the housewear t-shirt and shorts from Shoppers Stop. This is the two colors I've got from there today, and they are very comfortable and very good quality. In Bombay, we experience a moderate climate throughout the year. Hence, in summer, we can use Dohar when the ACs are on, and in winter also we can use Dohar. I picked up this Dohar because it goes with the print goes with most of my bed sheets, and unlike others, it is having both sides same prints.
Reached home just now. I've shared with all of you what all I've shopped from Forum today. So that's all for today now. Until next, me, follow me, signing off from Welcome to My World. Bye.